Hello students, hope so everyone are doing good. So today once again welcome you back in your computer application classes. So today I'm going to start with the next chapter, and that new chapter is known as second chapter, that is introduction of networking. First of all, I'll be giving you the basic description about this chapter. After that I'll proceed. First of all, introduction part of this chapter is like networking में सबसे important होता है communication. That's why networking works. Basically, in like if two people having conversation, or if two people have are communicating with each other, there should be no interruption. Yes or no? Either it can be in call also, or either it can be in face to face also. So the same thing is within networking. Networking में basically the things are connected with the communication. ठीक है, नेटवर्किंग में सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है कम्युनिकेशन. अब वो कम्युनिकेशन किसी भी टाइप का हो सकता है, थ्रू द प्रिंटर, जो हार्डवेयर होता है, प्रिंटर हो गया, स्कैनर हो गया, या फिर आपका फैक्स मशीन हो गया, या फिर ईमेल्स हो गए, वॉइस मेल हो गया, कॉल हो गया, चैट हो गया, वीडियो कॉल हो गया, etc etc. These all are the part of networking. Okay, so let's begin our chapter. First of all, definition of networking. Basically networking are connected by communication links. Communication links इसीलिए क्योंकि अगर communication नहीं होगा तो networking का कोई काम ही नहीं है. समझ में आ गया? Next one, फर्स्ट हो गया आप लोग का नेटवर्क. नंबर 2, nodes. Nodes can be of any type. For example, printer. If you need any data to be if you need any data to see in your hand, you can print out. Yes or no? So this is one kind of node networking. Okay. Now let's come to its advantages and disadvantages. Networking का advantages and disadvantages क्या है? Let's see in our book. Let's read. First of all, advantages में जैसे कि business decision is made more quickly and accurate through network. Yes, it can be क्योंकि many of the people they have the links with the other countries, other places. So how the people they communicate through the emails or through the any kind of conversation, how they communicate like this. Next one is computer network. It is possible to carry various type of data such as text, audio, video, etc etc. Establish telephone services more efficient and advanced such as conference calling, call writing, voicemail, etc. Yes, people can communicate with each other with the help of the voice call with the help of the calling also, etc. Internet help us to download and upload information quickly and accurately. With the help of the internet, what happened that basically the things can be downloaded or uploaded easily. ठीक है. Next one is you can see on the book. Next one, education sector is not bound now under the classroom. With the help of the computer network, students can update themselves via gathering information, doing research work and many other things with the help of the computer or networks. So this is the next part of the advantages of networking. With the help of the network nowadays, students are also very much modified with their minds, or technically they are very much brilliant. Next, we can keep contact with our nearest one with the help of the calls. Yes, video call, voice call, etc etc. Now what are the disadvantages? First of all, the disadvantages, if you don't know how to use, this is one of the great disadvantages. For example, ATM machine. ATM machine में आप जाके निकाल के आ रहे हो, आप जाके मतलब अगर आप जाके पैसा नहीं निकाल पाते हो, then you don't know how to use the ATM machine, then it is one kind of disadvantage that many of the people are still aware of using this kind of networks. Okay. Next one, it is expensive system. मतलब because of the networking के लिए तो बड़ा machines का, जैसे कि for example मैंने ATM का बताया, it is directly connected with the computer, it is directly connected with the banks. Yes or no? So this is one kind of things, it is one kind of expensive thing. Next, because of the network also, अगर bad network रहे तो business में interruption हो सकता है, people they cannot communicate with the other countries. Yes or no? So these all are the reasons कि एक तरह से डिसएडवांटेज है, अगर नेटवर्किंग अच्छा नहीं है तो कम्युनिकेशन भी ठीक से नहीं हो पाएगा. सो द थर्ड वन इज बैड नेटवर्क. फोर्थ वन इज अनऑथराइज्ड. अगर सिस्टमैटिकली सब चीज़ ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं है देन इट इज़ वन काइंड ऑफ डिसएडवांटेज. एंड द लास्ट वन इज डेटा कैन बी मिसप्लेस्ड और डैमेज. यस, इट कैन बी मिसप्लेस्ड और डैमेज. आप कंप्यूटर में ही रखे हो, बिकॉज ऑफ द वायरस कब एक दिन उड़ गया. सो दीज ऑल आर वन काइंड ऑफ डिसएडवांटेज. Next one, application of computer network. Application of computer network में basically how it is little bit easier through the computer. Basically the people how they use in their daily life. ठीक है? First of all, information retrieval systems which search for books, technical reports, papers and articles on particular topics. इसका मतलब ये हो गया कि that people with the help of the internet it can be searched in the Google that if people need any kind of information on the particular topic, it is possible. Next one, new access machines which can search past news, stories and abstracts with the given search criteria. With the help of the Google, it can be searched. Next, reservation can be made online. Yes. So the third point is airline reservation, hotel booking, railway reservation, car rental. These all can be done through the networking only. क्योंकि अगर आपके में network अच्छा है, then even you can book through it, this one in online also. Next one, a dictionary. Yes, a dictionary, thesaurus which can correct, auto-correct, phrase generator, index, dictionary. These all are the things which can you search through networks in internet. Okay. Next. Even you can get the information of the stock marketing कि किस तरीके से मार्केट का दाम घट रहा है कि बढ़ रहा है. This all can be done with the help of the networking. People can sit at home and they can search in the net itself and they can do if the network is good. Next one, EFT. EFT का मतलब हो गया electronic financial transaction. Basically it can be said कि अगर आप कोई चेक लेके जाते हो, ठीक है, बैंक पे, like someone have given you check of this much rupees, you can go to the bank, you can convert that one into the money. So ये चीज़ possible है only because of the EFT, ठीक है, and this is possible only because of the networking. Next one, games also can be played through the networks. Yes or no? Online आप लोग गेम खेल सकते हो. So this is one kind of application of computer networks. Next one, you can have the customer or you can make the market productions. You can sell your market productions. You can sell your productions through the online also. For example, e-commerce जो online बिकता है सामान, जैसे for example जैसे Flipkart हो गया, so Snapdeal हो गया, ये सब चीज़ एक तरफ से example है that through online also people can order and it is possible only because of the networks. Next one, EMMS, electronic mail messages system. Everyone are aware of it. Email, मतलब electronic mail जो आप लोग भेज सकते हो. We can have communication with through the mail also. So this is only possible because of the networks. Next one, corporate information systems such as marketing information, customer information system, product systems, etc. ठीक है. Even you can have the knowledge of the markets, etc., through the networks. Next one, online system investment, advice and management, tax maximization, etc. It can be done through the online because of the networks. Next one, resources of interest to a home user. मतलब घर पे बैठे बैठे भी आप सामान मंगा सकते हो. For example, Flipkart, Snapdeal, etc. Sports result, yes, through the online also you can know the how the game like स्पोर्ट्स का न्यूज़ गेन कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट वन, इवन इफ यू कैन नो अबाउट द मूवीज, थिएटर्स, एसेट्रा इन द थ्रू द ऑनलाइन ऑल्सो. नेक्स्ट, थ्रू द ऑनलाइन नेटवर्किंग यू कैन डू शॉपिंग ऑल्सो. जैसे फ्लिपकार्ट का एग्जाम्पल दिया, आप ऑनलाइन सामान खरीद सकते हो. यस. नेक्स्ट वन इज इवन विद द हेल्प ऑफ द networking only you can directly pay online. खाना जाके खाया with the cards and everything, you can scratch the cards and you can give the payment. Yes. Next one, you can learn how to make the foods. Everything is depend on the networking. ठीक है. आज की डेट में टेक्नोलॉजी के लिए इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है, you can learn everything. So these all are the basic things which is given in your book. So once you can go through today's topic and if you have any doubt you can ask me. My next class will be on data communication. Okay. So once you go through it, but okay, because all the points I have not read, I have not said like application of computer network में, क्योंकि easy है और ये सब explain करना थोड़ा, ये सब explanation it is in easy line, so explanation is not required. So if you have any doubt regarding anything, you can ask me. My next class will be on data communication. Okay, thank you.